My name is Comrade Emeka Emerole. Talking about union leadership, union or association leadership. You know, when people say you're a leader, I'm a leader, this one is a leader, there's one thing I found out in leadership, especially when it comes to union. You know, when they say it's union, many people gather, they are called union. But when it comes to take decisions in that union, the leadership is there. Yes, the group of leaders, the leadership structure is there, both local, state, national, wherever, there is a leadership structure. But when it happens, when it comes to taking decision in that union, let me tell you, it's not everybody that takes decision. Yes. You know, there's a proverb in our place, they said, a goat owned by everybody dies of hunger. You know, because the other one will think the other person has fed that goat. The other person will the other one will take care of that goat. That goat will die of hunger. That is what it is in leadership. In any leadership, the few must take the bull by the horn. Whatever decided, a leader is not doing well when a resolution is not being carried out. In leadership, in every meeting, when a resolution is being taken, it's not everybody that will carry out that resolution. No. Everybody, don't call people, hey, this is the resolution we have. No, you won't get anything done. One thing I found out is that when that resolution is taken, the few, yes, the few makes things happen in every leadership, be it in religious circle, be it in politics, even in our government. If the president of this country is waiting for everybody to agree for something to happen, he will not achieve anything. The few must decide that this is what has been decided, and they will make sure it's being carried out. That is what the few will make it happen. If it's bad, they will blame you. If it is right, they will follow you. So as a leader in trade union, as a leader in any organization, as a leader even in that association, make things happen. Get things done. Your job is call the leadership meeting, call people together, take decision, take a resolution. Once it's agreed, the few will execute it. You don't need a crowd. You don't need everybody to execute what has been decided. Because if you are waiting for everybody to take that mantle and run with it, you will not get anything done. So as a leader in that trade union, as a leader in that association, you are the president, you are the chairman, you are the coordinator, you are the helm of affairs. Don't wait for the crowd. Yes, don't wait for the crowd. Few of you, you pick one or two, execute that thing. Because I have found out when you are waiting for everybody to agree, yes, a decision has been taken during the meeting, that this is what's supposed to be done for us to get this thing done as a union. Get it done. Do not wait for everybody to say yes. Do not wait for everybody to say yes. Let's go and do it. Get few people. And I've known one thing in leadership. This is me. This is my quote. This is my belief. That as a leader, if you are the president, if you are the chairman, if you are the coordinator, if you are the number one in that, what you need is 50%. If you can please the 50%, if you can at least please 50%, you by yourself, you are 50%. Get things done. No leader can please everybody 100%. If any leader does that, that leader is manipulating people. But once you can get 50% of the people to agree in your vision and mission and where you're going, believe me, you will achieve something. And when that 50 agree with you, get things done. You don't get things done by carrying crowd. Yes, you need the crowd. The crowd need to take the decision. The crowd need to agree on something. Not even all the crowd. Out of that crowd, 50% at least needs to agree. And you put in yours. And that thing has to be done. If you're waiting for A will not agree, and maybe C will not agree, why not do what B has agreed and get it done? Don't wait for everybody. As a leader, do not wait for everybody to get this done. Else, you will finish your tenure as a leader, nothing will be done. You will finish your time, nothing will be done. So get to work. Don't wait for everybody. You need the few to get things done. I am telling you, this is what I've seen over the years as a leader in the union. This is what I've seen. Get things done. Don't wait for everybody. The few will make it happen. See, you want to be a good leader? Choose the few and get things done. Till I come your way, I want you to subscribe for what we are doing. I want you to like, share, follow, and even comment where we are not doing it right. We promise you will get it better. I remain my humble self, Comrade Emeka Emerole.